In this video, you're going to learn how to add and how to delete pages in Noteful. There's a few different ways to do it, so let me show you how. So with adding and deleting pages in Notefuls, there are a couple of different ways to do this. So first, let's talk about this test notebook that we created. We only have 2 pages here, so we can see 202. This is all the pages that we have. And we can also see in the thumbnails that this is all the pages that we have. So there are 2 different ways how we can add the pages. So first, way that you can add the pages, once you're at the very end of the document, you can just pull and that will add another page. So now we have 3 pages. So any pages that you want to add, you can just pull on the screen and it's going to add a page. Now you can also go up here to your thumbnails and go to whatever page that you want to be on, and then you can go to insert, and then you can choose to do the current type of paper, or you can have ruled, blank, so many different options here on what kind of paper you could add in, or you can import a file like a PDF. You can also, if you have more than one notebook, you can merge your notebooks here, and you can also scan in documents and choose a photo that you might want to add in. So that's how you're going to add pages. Now, if you want to delete pages, there's only one way you can do it. You're going to have to go to your thumbnails, just like where we're at now, then select delete, and then you can select whatever pages you want to delete. So I'm going to delete these 3, and then I'm just going to tap right here and hit delete. And that is how you are going to be able to delete pages. Now this works the same exact way in a planner. So if you had a digital planner that you bought from me, and let's say that you didn't want to have all 4 weekly page options, let's say you only wanted to have one, what you're going to do is click right here on the thumbnails tab or the thumbnails tool, hit select, and then you're just going to choose which ones you want to delete. So I always use this one. So I'm going to delete these 3 weekly pages. I'm just going to hit delete. And then I'm going to exit off right here and hit done. So now if I go back to January and then I swipe, I'm only going to have this weekly page. So that is how you add and delete pages in Noteful.